Spin's hand-spun aluminum shades stand as a testament to our commitment to innovation, pushing the boundaries of what is achievable.
Each fixture embodies a blend of craftsmanship, technology, and form to create a luminaire designed to last a lifetime. The Spin series is available in 3 distinct sizes, each with a max of 3,000 delivered lumens. For a traditional look, Spin is also offered with a screw base E26 socket. You can order individually or order all 3 sizes to arrange a cluster. Our spinning is performed by skilled craftsmen on hand-spinning lathes as well as automated machines.
Visually comfortable at all angles and no LED imaging.
A precision machine finial complements the apex of the shades and creates a flawless pinnacle. Spin features a slim, field-cuttable cord available in 5 and 10-foot lengths, along with thin magnetic canopies that keep attention directed toward the presence of the shades. The diffused lenses are designed to seamlessly mold to the distinct contours of each shade.
Available in standard white or black finishes, new and custom colors also available.
Spin provides a solution for spaces that demand large, form-driven luminaires with the capacity to deliver quality general illumination. Whether suspended above a table, in a cluster, or mounted throughout an interior, Spin's presence elevates the space.